no fluff. I have been testing the Skytech gaming Crystal PC every single day. Here is what you need to know. This thing is a game changer. You're looking for a gaming PC that's gonna blow your mind? Well, let me tell you, this thing delivers. With a 4.3 out of 5 rating and over 110 reviews under its belt, you can bet your bottom dollar it's got something special up its sleeve. Now, what sets the Skytech gaming Crystal PC apart from all the rest? It's not just one thing. It's the trifecta of performance, power, and pure, unadulterated fun. Let me break it down for you. First off, we've got the brains of the operation, an absolute powerhouse processor that'll keep up with even the most demanding games. Think of it like having a super smart assistant that's always on your side, ensuring seamless gameplay and lightning-fast loading times. Next up, we've got graphics that are out of this world. We're talking buttery smooth displays, insane frame rates, and an unparalleled level of detail that'll make you feel like you're right there in the game. And let's not forget about the cooling system, a high-performance air cooler that keeps things running cool and quiet, even during marathon gaming sessions. But what really puts this PC over the top is its sheer flexibility. Whether you're playing with friends online or taking on solo missions, this thing can handle it all with ease. From fast-paced FPS games to strategic RPGs, the Skytech gaming Crystal PC delivers an unparalleled level of performance and responsiveness that'll leave you breathless. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who needs a gaming PC like this? Well, let me tell you, if you're a serious gamer who's looking for a true competition-ready machine, then this is the one for you. You want to be able to take on the toughest challenges and come out on top? This thing is the real deal. But I've got to give you some honest feedback. One minor complaint that's worth mentioning is that the ports might be a bit limited for some users. Don't get me wrong, it's not a huge issue, but if you're planning on connecting multiple peripherals or having a few friends over to game together, you might find yourself wishing there were a few more options. But let's be real, that's like complaining about a Ferrari having too many gears when you're just trying to get from point A to point B. This thing is a beast of a machine, and any complaint about the ports is basically noise compared to its overall awesomeness. So what's the verdict? If you're in the market for a gaming PC that'll take your gameplay experience to the next level, look no further than the Skytech gaming Crystal PC. It's a true powerhouse that'll leave you breathless and begging for more. Subscribe for weekly reviews that actually go deep. You will not regret it. You will find the link in the description. See you next week.